Just bought this KLX 110 on Facebook Marketplace for 150 bucks. Now I'm gonna start with the good and go to the bad. On the good, for 150 bucks, it came with this Two Brothers exhaust. Used, a little bent up, but it's better than the stock one by far. Also, came with a new chain. Now for the bad. Obviously you can tell the front wheel's a little bent. Also, forks bent. No front brake lever at all. Everything's just mangled. It's been ran through. Some questionable wiring there. That's great. The sprocket's toast. The guy said they ran it out of oil. It is bone dry in there. There is some compression though. I just can't get it to start. So if you want to watch me rebuild this and get it running again, like and follow.